Come and join me today at the Pipeline Media event. A big thank you to SeaWorld for inviting us out. It opens on May 27th at SeaWorld Orlando, and it's a first of its kind surf coaster. Unfortunately, since it is a 54-inch height requirement, the kids could not go on it. The husband stayed with them, and a photographer friend was able to join me. I'll show some of her stunning pictures throughout the video, and I will put her Instagram down below. There are multiple loops, so you do go upside down, and it launches you 110 feet up. It's pretty intense. So we're gonna do a quick walk around first, and then we're going to go on the ride and show their video that they gave us facing our way, and then I did record on my glasses, so then I will show a video facing forward. It runs really smooth. It looks great. I love the theming, and I love how it actually looks like a giant surfboard. If you are a pass holder, a SeaWorld pass holder, you are able to ride it early. Otherwise, you have to wait until May 27th to ride. The website doesn't say anything about the speed, but I did hear it was about 60 miles per hour, and that launch, it feels really fast. Okay, so let's see what they got. Okay, so this isn't really pipeline. This is SeaWorld Rescue. I like the colors. It's almost like Easter. But I do like the pipeline shirts. You got a nice yellow here. You got a hat. Gray. There's a white as well, long sleeve, which has something on the sleeve too. That's cool. It's like Manta. Got cups, shot glasses. There's some sort of like special coin here too. And then they put like a picture, a nice picture. They have these pins that look like surfboards. It's so cute. $10. Got a chrome sticker, some magnets, and a reusable cup. Good for water. Got a tank top, hats, another dark blue shirt. When we come back to SeaWorld, I'll see if this merch is in the other shops as well. We'll kind of take a peek around, see what's new at SeaWorld, and the kids still have to ride Icebreaker. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see more SeaWorld content. And they do offer lockers, which I would recommend because things are going to fall out of your pocket. Now I'm going to show a brief clip and then we're going to go on.
Yeah, oh, it's up there.
It was more comfortable than we thought. I'll show my point of view here in a minute, but here is us trying to calm our nerves.
For sure.
Oh goodness, okay.
Is this it? Okay.
Oh. I'm a little nervous.
Oh my God. Hopefully we'll see you in 46 seconds. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I thought it wasn't running. I was like, oh my gosh, we're going.
The restraints are fine, it's just getting up on the seat. It was a little bit higher, so I had to use my legs to kind of lift myself up and get up on that chair. If you turn around and put your feet on that ledge, it makes it a little bit easier. So that's the only complicated thing, but for tall people, you'll be good. I am a little scared.
I'm a little nervous.
Because I'm not used to standing.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Hopefully we'll see you.
In 46 seconds.
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay,
Next time I would love to sit in the front and get a POV and kind of compare it to the back with the launch. Okay, so what did you think of Pipeline?
I loved it. It totally scared I can't swear.
Yeah, it scared me
It scared us.
Yeah.
And there's like, I don't know, it's like a surfboard you're on, so like it goes down from your feet and
Yeah, when you get airtime, it's
Yes, it is
we
airtime.
Screamed. You can
Yeah.
go to see we screamed a bunch.
it was really good though.
It was better than I expected, more intense than I expected, because you see it out here and you're like, oh, okay, but
Yeah.
when you're on it, it's completely different.
Absolutely different.
Our hearts started pounding and we got nervous, and then I didn't know the takeoff was right there.
Yes, it
We
was
were
like kind of like a
sitting-
false takeoff.
Yeah,
we
it
didn't
was.
know.
It's like the Hulk.
Yes.
Like you don't know when the Hulk is gonna take off, and it's like bam. So just be ready. But it was good.
It was very good.
It's short. It's 46 seconds or
Very
so.
similar to Tron feel.
Yeah, but it's worth it. I would say definitely come here and ride it while you're here. If you're tall, it's 54 inches, so
4 inches.
our kids can't ride just yet, but eventually,
Yeah,
it'll
they'll
be
get there.
fun. And I felt safe on it. It was a great ride.
Yeah.
I want to go
Lots
back.
of airtime, very fun.
Yeah, I thought so too. It's good. Oh, I like the splash. That's nice. I don't either. I like the water though, that's nice. That was us there in the back. Thank you to Matt for Attractions Magazine sending that to us. And thank you, Angel, for joining me and taking some amazing pictures. And also thank you to our Patreon supporters, Maddie and Lachey, for helping support our channel. People like you help us to keep going and doing what we love.
Subscribe for more videos. Go to our channel, subscribe.
Click either of these videos, the top one being the latest at SeaWorld Orlando with some new entertainment, and the bottom being the new Serengeti Flyers at Busch Gardens we were able to ride before it opened. And thank you so much for watching.